and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. And today we are going to be talking about Tiger's Eye, the stone of sun and earth. Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to be talking about 4 primary benefits of working with Tiger's Eye in your daily life. Tiger's Eye is this beautiful golden brown stone that's got a really nice flash and shimmer in the light. And if you find that Tiger Eye is a gemstone that calls to you, I do have Tiger Eye bracelets and pendants in my Etsy store, and I'll put the link in the description below. Now, Tiger Eye. This is a wonderful stone. And the first benefit of Tiger's Eye is that it is a grounding stone. And this is a little bit different than the grounding stones we've already explored in some of the previous videos. Those were darker stones related to our root chakra, which really brought us down to the ground, down to the earth. But this stone is connected to both the solar plexus and the root chakra. So it grounds through more of our body. And what this means is that it's a softer, subtler grounding stone. If you find yourself feeling spacey or scattered, then this will gently bring you back to focus, bring you back to the present moment. But the grounding of Tiger's Eye is like a tall tree in which the roots are firmly embedded in the ground. That tree isn't going to go anywhere, but it's tall and expansive and reaches out towards the sun. That is the grounding energy of Tiger's Eye. And the second benefit of Tiger's Eye is confidence without ego. Now, stones that stimulate the solar plexus chakra all help to boost our confidence and our sense of personal power, and Tiger's Eye does the same. But it's a more grounded, quieter confidence. You know your value. You don't feel the need to shout it from the rooftops or really get aggressively confident. This is a deep inner knowing about who you are. It allows your actions to display your abilities rather than you having to just show it off. So confidence without ego, a subtler, softer, quiet sense of self-confidence. The third benefit of Tiger's Eye is that it helps us see the divine in everyday life. It really helps us slow down and see the shine and the beauty of things that we look at every single day. And it really helps deepen our appreciation for daily rituals, routines, and our relationships. This is a stone that really helps us slow down and look around our life and be present and really live our life. Now, the final benefit of Tiger's Eye is that it helps to strengthen our intentions. So now with this stone, we already have deeper focus and increased confidence and personal power. So that enables us to have a lot more trust and faith in our abilities. We have a lot more faith in the intentions that we put forth in life. And This focus and power just gives your intentions, your goals, and your visions for the future a lot more energy and power. And then it sends those intentions out to the universe, to the sun, to blossom for you. So this is one of my favorite stones because there's a lot of strength and power to this stone, but it's very quiet, it's very subtle, and it allows all of this strength and power to come from within. So this is a phenomenal stone to have with you if you're feeling uncomfortable tooting your own horn. You're uncomfortable just getting out there in the limelight, but you want to have more confidence in your abilities. You want to have more ability to put yourself out there without really throwing yourself out there. So Tiger's Eye is a really beautiful, wonderful, strengthening stone. So thank you very much for joining me today to talk about Tiger's Eye. Just this wonderful, bright, shining, flashing stone. Tiger's Eye also comes in blue and red, which have some of the similar qualities, but take on just a slightly different flavor because one is more associated with the sacral chakra and the other one with the throat chakra. And I'll be doing videos on those as well. But if you felt that the energy of Tiger's Eye is something that you'd like to explore more, then I will be posting a guided meditation with Tiger's Eye. And you don't need a piece of Tiger's Eye to benefit from this guided meditation. If you have it already, that's nice, but you'll still get benefit from the guided meditation. And if any of the prompts really speak to you or really trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get a piece of Tiger's Eye and repeat the meditation with it. So if you're interested in learning about how crystals and gemstones can benefit and improve your everyday life, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I post about a different gemstone every single week, both an informative video like this and a guided meditation with that gemstone. So thank you again for joining me today, and I hope to see you at the guided meditation. Thank you.